One to go. I should have recorded earlier. No. But
Yeah,
I'm recording now.
Dar loses a lot of speed.
Coming through the final turns, it's going to be X. He's going to Homestead.
Dar just misses it. He did not hit his points.
X is going to Homestead. This was a great final restart, green to checkered.
It's your boy Xioxis back at it again. It looks like Cody's not gonna make it. Yeah, give X his little
I gotta make it dirt.
Nah, make it dirt. Got him. Unless he does it in the grass, then. Actually,
Where's the dirt?
Either way, it'd be brown. I got that dirt. I got that dirt. Yeah. Forgot aside X, you moron. Oh, he's just doing wheelies.
That was a great race.
Mhm.
He's got his dirt.
Oh, he's taking his victory lap. Look out.
This was awesome. Great.
Look out below. Here comes a Toyota. And his girlfriend, Darkar. No, screw off 1, 2, whatever numbers you are. 1, 2, 5, 9, 2, 5, 3, 7.
So X is really happy and Dar is happy. They finished 1-2, and we don't know points yet, but it does look like where they were when they came into this race, they're gonna fill in the final 2-point spots, I believe.
So it looks like so far it's gonna be Weehog, Jake,
X and Dar, I think that's what it looks like it's gonna be.
Where did WoW finish?
I don't think. Yeah, he finished as a lap. He finished right in front of the leaders. So
he was in 4th in points. He was tied with Dar.
Yeah, we're gonna have to see what happens with these points. But it looks like since he was tied with Dar, the position is gonna go to Dar.
Yeah, buddy.
All right, let's go to community.
I don't think I'm going to be heading to Indy. I won't be heading to Indy anytime soon.
Why?
Probably. Because I don't want to.
Okay.
Congratulations.
It's more just the fact that we shouldn't have one of the most important races of the fucking season at a fucking dirt track.
What's up, boy?
That makes sense.
My throat is dying right now.
Hey, good job, XD.
Thank you.
So far it looks like top 4 that are moving on are gonna be Weehog, Jake, Dar, and X.
Yes, that's what I said.
You and
All I
Nick
had
are
to
already
do
locked
is-
in, so.
All I had to
I
do
know,
was
but
finish
that's
in
what
front
I
of
said.
WoW.
Yeah,
So
WoW
I just gave
finished.
the one to XD.
I believe WoW finished 4th, and he was almost about to get laughed by you guys.
Okay, let me send the recording. That I record.
If
You're
I
already-
wanted to, I could
Why do
probably
you